Welcome, here I've got Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, we have the sound turned on. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the capture settings category we have mute option, so by using this button from the right we can turn off the sound and another tap to turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off, let's go back to the camera and let me take another picture. And now we can't hear the sound. Of course, by tapping to the right corner and using this button we can turn it on again, so for now we can hear it once again. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.